Good morning, ladies and gents. So I'm going to be filming on a new piece of equipment for this video. Hopefully it's going to be better than just the phone. Please do, you know, just bear with me. I've got a few new bits of equipment arriving for this channel. And today we're just going to be filming on this, which is a GoPro 10. I'm hoping it's all right, but we'll give it a go. We're off to go see Nick and his brand new JDM K car. Yeah, can you guess what it is? It's about the same size as a Pulsar. Give it a guess. Thoughts down below right now, and we'll see if you're right. But let's go see a JDM legend. Still rips hard. I think I short shifted a little bit there, but that's fine. Trying to drive with one hand's not good, so yeah, short shift, you'll have to forgive me on that. Yeah, she's ripping hard. She's doing well. I need to sort the dilimiter out. She's braking late. I need to sort the dilimiter out, which is why the speedo's not working, but whatever. Sounds good. And you guys can enjoy some beautiful countryside. Really dumb mistake of trying to do this with not a lot of fuel. So yeah, we're sort of babying it, trying to stay off boost as much as possible. She's not looking good. She's not looking good at all. Let's hope we can make it. Here he is. Long time no see.
Well, that's cool, isn't it? I can see myself.
I know, it's good, isn't it?
That's really clever.
He's here.
That's really good.
It is good. How's it going? I hear you've got a K car.
Yeah, in a way.
It's a JDM legend.
It's a load of shit.
You want to introduce it?
No. God, no. Not a chance.
Come on.
It is rubbish.
How many horsepower? 90?
60.
60?
60, yeah. It's less than a 10% of the skyline. Will that even be able to hear us over your massively loud...
I'm hoping so, yeah. Come on, Chevy. Let's go. Hang on. Oh, my stomach hurts from laughing. The trim's really good.
It's all in really good condition.
It is amazing condition.
Well, you'd expect over 30,000 miles, wouldn't you?
Fucking hell, that's out. So what is it then? Because it's not a micro. It is actually a March, isn't it?
It's a proper March, but it's just a K11 micro.
It's a proper March, is it?
Shut up.
I suppose. Oh, look at it. Yeah.
Genuine Nissan thing.
I know.
Yeah, you pull it up. It's not electric. You just pull it up.
Oh, ladies and gents, I'm jelly. I'm not.
Look at the size of the wheels, mate.
What are they?
They're not hubcaps. They are alloy wheels.
Are they?
13s.
13s.
I've never seen alloys that are that small before.
No, well, the Pulsars are supposed to be 15s.
Yeah, that's 13s.
No, I know. I'm just saying.
13s.
Yeah, I know. I get it. It's an so this. Tell us about it then. It is actually. Have they deleted it?
Yeah, yeah.
Their rude boy micro. March.
I think it's a R32 rear windscreen micro.
That's hilarious.
I was thinking about stealing this and put it on the Skyline.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Like, it's cool but shit.
Shall I get a key?
Yeah.
Shall I laugh at the inside as well?
Yeah.
It just gets better.
Oh, I want to hear the exhaust note. Oh my. Oh, I didn't know it was automatic. Oh dear. So, ladies and gents, this is of course a March, not a micro. So yeah. March is what they called them in Japan.
It is a proper import. I've got the documentation for it.
Well. I think it's.
You ready for this?
Why did you buy it?
It's so cheap. And when did you ever see a March?
Oh no, never. You see micros, K11, isn't it? This.
If it was cheap, because it's only a 1 litre, so there's a 1.3 and a 1. This is
I can't believe how good the trim is.
Yeah, I don't know what happened here though.
I
don't know if that's. I think that might just be a little bit short. I don't know what.
Yeah,
what
true.
Looks like.
Has it got a central lock-in?
Yeah, mate.
Wow.
And it's full central, and they're all electric windows everywhere. It's got the
that is
loudest.
Awesome.
That's a 350Z fuel pump.
Is it?
Yeah, you ready to listen to the loudest fuel pump in the world?
Yeah.
You're standing by it, mate. It's louder than the Skyline. Oh. It's 255, that fuel pump. 255.
Fuck me. Oh, we're gonna tune it.
It's loud, isn't it?
I tell you, we should do transmission swap.
Look at this.
I know.
It's the tallest gear lever selector.
It's for old people, isn't it?
Mate, it's so...
Or tiny little Japanese people.
I'd say tiny little Japanese people.
Jesus. God, this is hilarious, but also really cool at the same time. I mean, it's shit.
Rare 5-piece
I know.
foot mat, and many of these, it smells a bit funky. It needs a clean. The seats need a clean with the margin.
Yeah. You can see, like you can see, obviously discoloured from there to there.
Yeah.
But it's in such good shape.
Look how wibbly wobbly it is.
Well, not as wibbly as wobbly as your Mini at the moment.
Oh yeah, the Mini's buggy. Yeah.
So, so why did you buy it?
It's cheap.
Is that literally
I've already
it?
said that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cheap and it had really low miles.
Yeah, and it is in
it has
great
absolutely no
shape.
rust. Underneath there's nothing. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I could have broke something.
What?
But yeah, look.
What do you mean you could have broke something?
It's just really, really.
Oh
cheap.
right, yeah. It's in such good shape. Can we hear it?
Mate, there's nothing in it. But yeah, all
Is there
right.
not?
Well, you
Come on,
can.
you rev the tits off it. Oh, ladies and gents, what a beast! Oh, it stinks. That is awful. What's the engine bay like?
It's alright actually.
Is that a fog light that they've added?
That doesn't work.
Oh god.
Yeah.
It looks like it's been just dry stored, doesn't it?
It has. 12 years.
Did you just do that?
Yeah, just in case.
Oh right.
I don't know what the central locking's like. It's such a heavy bonnet.
Same as the Pulsar.
So heavy.
Wow though.
It's just dirty.
Oh, it's a twin cam. That's a 4-cylinder. Mate, what a beast. You know what you could get in there, don't you?
A smaller battery.
You know what you could fit in there?
No, I'm not putting anything in here.
You know what you could though?
No. Look at that.
You could.
Look, Japanese.
Just, I want to say, you could.
No, I've closed the bonnet.
You could
No,
fit
no.
an SR20 in
No,
there.
the bonnet's going down.
What's wrong with you? Why don't you want an SR20? I mean, it's awful.
Rubbish.
It is. Why did you? Oh god. It's so. You don't have perfect paint. You keep doing stuff like that.
Pretty wood.
Oh, you've still got the zinc plated on the.
Yeah, look at that as well. How cool
No's
is that?
that? You've still got the zinc plate. That's amazing.
Mate, it's clean.
It's in such good shape.
Tape player. You know you got a good car.
Well, I can't see it, can I? You open the bloody door.
In there, go on. You see the tape player?
Oh, what a beauty. I mean, it's absolutely horrendous.
This tint job's better than any of the ones I've ever done.
Well, that's not a stretch, is it? So what's the plans with it then?
Nothing. I'll probably sell it, to be honest. Just 'cause it's so
How much did you buy it for?
undisclosed amount.
Oh, no pot.
I'm selling it.
Was it?
Yeah. Which is
Bloody good game.
It's expensive for a micro, to be fair. It is expensive for a
Yeah.
micro. But for one with 30,000 miles on it, that's...
Yeah, I mean, that's insane.
And that is a official Nissan remote. I've never seen... And it's just a single...
Cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully you actually saw that, because I don't know where the camera's pointed.
Points. Well, you got the screen gone off.
Yeah.
There's
That's
the
fine.
screen. Ooh.
What? You locked it?
Yeah. I'll put the thing back up.
I like the paint.
It's alright, isn't it?
No, the colour's quite cool. It's like a soft spearmint. What?
It's just like a shit. I had a soft spearmint earlier on.
Well, yeah, true. I can't believe you bought it. Jesus.
It's a shame we can't.
So literally just, well, yeah, I'm sure
it's
it's fine.
Basically, all the time, like.
All the worst things you could do.
Well, I didn't buy it, did I? I bought it sight unseen, like you bloody do. I
Yeah,
bought it
well,
on holiday.
no, I bought one car sight unseen.
Off Facebook, which is the dodgiest.
Oh yeah,
backed,
it's real
isn't it?
bad, yeah.
So,
Even this is in great shape. It's so good
yeah.
for a shit car, but it's so good.
But the driving is nightmarish and slightly scary.
Yeah, no, I bet.
Yeah, it is quite scary. But
So wibbly wobbly, soft.
yeah, and the gearbox is just really, really angry.
Why? What do you mean angry?
It's a shit gearbox.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's just a shit gearbox.
A lot of it's the same as the Pulsar, you know, like, I'm pretty certain the door handles are the same.
Well, those, sorry, smashing the face.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
That is out of a 32.
Is it?
That's a 32.
God, it's so funny what they recycle, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm pretty certain the door parts are the same.
But the bloke, he loved it so much, he has mats on mats. Look.
Mats on mats on mats. Maybe his name's Matt. So he had a mat on a mat on a mat.
Shut up.
Maybe he was Matt on his mats on his mat.
Oh no, why am I putting my head on that? That is not clean.
That's disgusting.
I wonder what it smells like. No.
It's such a... it is so good.
No, it's not.
It is. I mean, it's shit, but it's still so good. I
like these. I like the tin.
Yeah.
It did have a strut brace, but the bloke said you can't have a strut brace if you're buying it for that little. So I was like, I don't need a strut brace. It's got 60 horsepower. You do not.
What?
You don't need a strut brace.
No, obviously not.
I said you keep it, mate. It's fine.
You want to be careful now going around corners, mate.
Go
easy.
Going straight.
Go easy.
But yeah.
So yeah, here's...
It's a hell of a shot when you've got the garage open. There's the skyline in there, and the...
I bet, mate. I bet people are so jealous
of this. I'm actually thinking about swapping them around. So garage, skyline.
What you could do is you could swap that engine into it.
Yeah, it fits straight away.
I reckon. I mean, it's terrible, but it's so cool. It's in such good shape.
I couldn't not buy it.
No.
I couldn't not buy it.
That's criminal.
It's funny though, isn't it?
It is.
There's no service history. It's just a single. So it was owned by the same family for the first two. So they imported it 12 years ago. I don't know why. Didn't drive it. Transferred it to someone else in their family.
Yeah.
Didn't drive it. Then it got transferred to this bloke in Hungary. He bought it off a driveway.
Yeah.
So it's technically had 3 owners now, but really it's only...
It's in, like, dash is perfect, everything. That's hilarious, isn't it? That's so good.
Needs a little ball on the top or something.
Wow.
But it'll be,
dice.
The original idea is take it to car shows when it's raining.
Yeah, something to...
People will laugh at it, and that's
they will.
Really funny.
They will. That'll be the cleanest one they've ever seen.
For no reason. Like, why have you looked after a Micra this well?
And you're like, I didn't.
No, it wasn't me.
I just bought it really cheap. Good God. I know, I thought you guys would appreciate this, just as a quick funny little video. And also to see Nick. We need to do an explanation video about a certain car that's disappeared.
Oh yeah, the one that was here.
People don't know about it,
no,
so we'll do that next, I think.
Yeah, we'll have to...
But this has not replaced it, obviously. It can't replace that. This is just...
in its place.
In its place, yeah, physically in its location.
Yeah.
So
this is easy to move around.
Yeah. So I hope you find this funny, because I find it hilarious.
That's all it's really for. That's all that we started these channels for, is not for anybody else, but just filming the stupid crap that we're doing. So. That's
why it was called Car Nonsense, because it's cars in general nonsense.
Yeah.
And now this is a car that is total fucking nonsense. So. Yeah, there's not much else really to say, to be honest. If you enjoyed this video,
and if anybody wants to buy a March, please,
yeah, no, seriously.
save me.
Well, yeah, because your Instagram's linked down below, so
yeah, exactly.
They can go send you a message on Instagram. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. A dumb video, but never mind. Cheers. Hit subscribe and like. Take care.
Love you. Bye.